Hey everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today let's talk about how to create Meetup group. So to create a Meetup group, you have to set the location and topics first. Just open your Meetup app and then enter your city or zip code so local members can discover your events. Now choose up to 15 keywords that define your group's focus, for example, hiking, tech, book club, or language exchange. These topics help Meetup match your group with interested users. Now name and describe your group. Pick a clear, catchy name that tells people exactly what the group is about. Now write a welcoming About Us section, explain who the group is for, what kind of activities you will do, and why folks should join. Now purchase an organizer subscription. Meetup requires organizers to purchase a subscription to host groups, communicate with members, and schedule events. Pricing varies based on your region, and you can sometimes find promotional discounts. Now, submit your group. Once you submit your group, it goes into a brief review process. While it's in review, you can still access the organizer dashboard to prepare everything and set up your first event. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video helped you. See you in my next one.